Can an SUV move you more confidently through your day? We think so. That's why we designed Navigator to be a calming and considered space, making it easier for you to be there for everyone counting on you. Let's see how Navigator marries bold styling with thoughtful touches and effortless power for a luxurious, capable ride. Navigator was designed to evoke a sense of quiet strength. The fluid lines of the exterior create a feeling of harmony and flow. The sense of ease continues as you approach. Navigator greets you with a suite of features to make your entry effortless. It lights the way so you can see and be seen. And it recognizes you and automatically adjusts to your personal settings, so everything's just the way you like it. When your hands are full, Navigator is there to open the door. And your Navigator makes it easier to get to the second and third row, with seats that tip and glide forward, then back into place. This allows you to customize the interior for your specific cargo needs. Your Navigator reaches down to give you a step up, as if to say, "Welcome back, come on in." The interior of your Navigator was designed with long, horizontal lines to give a sense of equilibrium and calm, for up to 8. Comfort is very personal. That's why the available perfect position seats with active motion massage and soft leather thoughtfully cater to your form. With the soothing massage along the way, every ride can be rejuvenating, no matter how long. Comfort should be shared by everyone, and the best-in-class second and third row legroom means no one needs to take a back seat. A clear space means a clear mind, so Navigator gives you numerous places to stow your belongings. Navigator also keeps you powered up with wireless charging and several USB ports. For long trips and short attention spans, Navigator offers you an available rear seat entertainment system, so everyone can stream their show or playlist. With all this space, connectivity, and comfort, wherever you're seated, you're traveling first class in your Navigator. Because every trip is different and conditions can change at a moment's notice, your Navigator can adjust to your mood and the weather. A true powerhouse, Navigator was designed so you have controllable power at your command. When you're cruising, staying responsive means keeping your eyes on the road. That's why the head-up display gives you your speed, cruise control settings, and more directly ahead of you. With Navigator, responsiveness goes well beyond your daily drive. That goes for service, too. So you can enjoy more time for what truly matters to you. We'll take your Navigator in for you when it needs service, then bring it back, washed and ready for the road ahead. First-class comfort, power to spare, and thoughtful amenities. That's how Navigator makes your journey more effortless in so many ways.